Here we have a virtual setup, same as we have seen in the last clip. It contains a resistor, battery, candle and ammeter. With the help of this setup, we can see what is actually happening inside resistor. Resistor contains a layer of carbon on its surface. This layer causes resistance. So let's see what happens in this carbon layer at different temperatures. Here blue spheres are electrons and green are atoms. As per ammeter reading, electron speed is 2 ampere approximately and atoms are vibrating slowly. But as we increase temperature, the movement of electron become faster and atoms vibration is also increasing. But why is this happening? Here is the answer. As we give heat, the bond between two carbon atoms become loose, and as the bond become loose, it become easy for other electrons to push the carbon electron out of its position. This setup is similar to last experiment. There is only one difference. Instead of resistor, we have connected a tungsten wire here. Since it is a metal, therefore it has more free electrons, which are represented by blue spheres. Now for metals, if we increase the temperature, the vibration of atoms increases. But instead of moving faster, electrons started moving slowly. What happens is, due to high population of electrons, the electrons started colliding with each other, and instead of going out, they spend their energy in colliding and producing more heat. As you can see here, the ammeter, instead of showing larger value, it is showing a much smaller value because the amount of electrons passing through the conductor has become less. At last, let's see how electricity affects conductors. So basically we will see the opposite of what we have done in previous experiments. Opposite means we will supply electricity of high current through conductor. The meaning of high current is more number of electrons per second passing through conductor. And as we have seen in last experiment, when lots of electrons collide with each other, they create heat. Therefore, our nichrome wire is getting red hot. Here we have another animation. Here you can see blue spheres, which are electrons already present in wire, and red ones are coming from battery. As we increase the number of red electrons passing through the wire, the temperature starts rising.